be right back.
Grant, are you just playing a bunch of my games? Yeah, yeah. Uh, filled in circle with a ring around it. Let me make an example. I would denote recording with some kind of symbol like this. I sent it in the chat. Something similar to that. You have to beat this game. It's really short. Hi, unknown. Yeah, something like that.
This a bit. Then I should group these together to select a rack. be there, select play. Grab all of these, move those down.
How'd you know, Drent? Let me suck at this. I was originally gonna add an island to the left, but then I decided not to. I thought it'd be a funny Easter egg. I like that all of my games are simple enough so I don't need to tutorialize anything. Are we being for real?
Okay, what do we think of this?
I think it's kind of beautiful.
So yeah, of course you have to imagine this. This is just markers. This is how VCD works, because it then generates all of these elements in the code for me to then adjust. But I all have like lines in the code already where I can just swap out the elements. So green ones are inputs, blue ones are outputs, red ones are parameters, so things like knobs, switches, whatever.
Yeah.
And so this will be this selector thingy. I made the one from earlier.
Drake, you're terrible at this.
So this will look like that.
You want to go over it. Oh, is it 2 arrows? The farther arrow is your cursor. The closer arrow is a more accurate representation. Not even the IDF would bother with this game unknown. I made this game in my first year of middle school for an assignment, and I got an A+, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure the project was just make a game in Scratch. And I was like, can I use Turbo Warp? And she was like, yeah. And so I made this.
I'll have to make a manual for this, but that's something I'm gonna do after the journey. I'm probably also gonna only publish this after I'm back. So I realized to save some space, I could probably have the 2 indicators of like how many steps and what step we're on side by side, couldn't I?
Yeah.
Didn't I do a very weird trick in MIDI tag? I have to remember how this stuff works. But I kind of... So would you say these numbers should be clean font or 7-segment displays?
7-segment.
7-segment is really a lot more work actually. But I would also think like 7-segment would have a bit more flair, but it's a bit tricky to actually write a renderer for those.
Depends on what you're willing to do.
So I wanted to look at how I solved this actually for MIDI tag. Yeah, because I remember MIDI tag uses a lot. I did so many crazy overlay tricks with MIDI tag, it's insane.
Do you know that diagonal lines are longer than straighter lines?
Okay.
Okay, well, my friend has beaten this game on a. This game used to be harder. It used to be less consistent, and my friend beat it on that setting. So I think you can do this. My IRL friend, that is. Not even someone that's good at games, just some dude. My friend William, he was like really fat. I think I have him added on Steam. He did VR content. He had like 13 subscribers. He played like Gorilla Tag or something. He was not really a chud, but he was a bit of a no-lifer. For some reason, he randomly became really shy in middle school. So he would just like always wear a mask. I was like, okay, buddy. Nobody's gonna recognize you from your elite YouTube.
I have a crazy idea. Wait. Heavens. Free 7 segment font. Why make life on yourself hard if you can do this? The question is it free? Free for personal use. I don't want it commercially. Last time we have these GitHub options that include
Are you gonna keep going to beat this strat? Jump straight up if you are gonna beat this. That's backwards.
Oh no, I have
Jump
to
backwards again if you're gonna beat this.
What?
Okay. Good luck. Very few people have beaten this game. It's not long, it's just really annoying. I probably have the... Let me see if I have the file saved somewhere on my computer.
What does... Okay, this is actually pretty... I can go to void to noise, res. Font, was this how you did it? I can probably steal some code from MIDI tag. Res fonts. Yeah, I just did res fonts. So save this in here. Oh, good. Not to change this. Okay, I'm gonna use a font for the 7-segment displays. Then it's easy. Then it should be easy. Just have to look. No, I have to go in a bit. I still want to get this done. If we go into VCV dev, MIDI tag, source, open in Fairfield, HX, MIDI tag, CPP. How did that work with the... This was so complicated.
Policija je pokrenula operaciju Sablja. Hiljade uhapšenih širom Srbije. Sablja pade, 10.000 za noć, nema bega. Lisice pomoć, žele reći. Gazde nema paore, Sablja seče. Beograd pamti ovaj sled, Sablja.
Trent just like clipped through the ground a little bit.
I have a more complete version of Fair and Square? Oh my god. I've never found this before. Anyways, I have dev mode enabled on this.
Context menus are a pain. What was this again? Yeah. Oh my god, this was such a nightmare. So, Masalt, you'd expect that adding like a context menu option to just add an expander module is like standard practice in VCV-Rec and it's pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
This is the code. This is the code required. God, why can't I select normally? Okay, let me do it without a mouse. This right here is the code required to add an expander. This entire block here.
Okay.
Because there's no native thing, so there is like add cycler expander, and then we need to calculate the position of our cone thing. Then we set free space to a very large number. Then we need to loop over all modules, go over the module widget, make sure it's a valid module widget, then do a lot of comparisons, get the absolute value and distance to all modules that are in our same row, calculate the free space we have between our module and not. If we have fewer free space than 2 HP, we need to get all modules that are to the right of that, manually adjust all of the positions of them to offset them by 2 HP, and like if it's like smaller than 2, so if there's not like enough available space, we need to move all over, and then we can create a new module, which also needs to do a lot of initialization. This was a nightmare. And I was baffled that there's no standardized method for that or function in the VCV-Rec API. I'm interested how custom widgets work.
Yeah, look where I am. Yeah, you see where I am?
It says custom widgets below, so then let's try custom widgets, I guess.
You gotta look at my stream.
And we do a stroke.
Oh my god, turn the music off. No, are you looking at my stream? I want to show you something.
So, of course, again, bear with me, these yellow blocks are going to be the 7-second displays. So this is going to be then, like how many steps there are, what step you're currently on and how many steps there are. Which is cruising above that the banks. This is getting a bit nuts. How big are buttons?
They're showing them more like those the completion version. If you open another YouTube video, I'm gonna leave. I swear to God, Brett. Trent. Look at my stream, you insufferable chud. I'm trying to show you the cooler version of the game.
Publish the cooler version of the game.
Well, it's not done. Look. it has tutorial text. Oh my god, oh my god. I'll be right back. Don't move a muscle. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.